Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Lattice with Lattice, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Lattice with Lattice, start by visiting the official Lattice website. Download the Lattice installer for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred installation directory. Choose any additional components you wish to install. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installation is finished, click Finish to close the installer. Now, launch Lattice from your Applications or Start menu. Upon opening, you may be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you're new to Lattice, select the option to create an account. Fill in the required information and follow the prompts to complete your account setup. For returning users, enter your credentials to log in. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the Lattice interface. Explore the available features to get started with your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.